Hello friends, today I tell you what are investments. Investments is the act of deployment of money out of saving into financial or non-financial products with the expectation of earning higher returns over a period of time. The various products in which investments may be done are financial products like fixed deposit in a bank, buying shares in stock market, investing in mutual fund, etc. and non-financial products like purchase of lands, gold, silver, etc. The investments may be done for short term, medium term, or long term. While investing, one should always remember that return on investment may rise or falls over time, and it is quite normal for that to happen. The difference between saving and investments are savings in a bank account, a portion of one income which is not used for expense. Investments means putting your money in various investment products to make money grow. And purpose of saving is saving are made to maintain liquidity to meet short term and urgent requirement. And investment purpose of investments is investments are made to make the money grow by creating asset that can generate income in the future value of assets, and the risk of saving is low or negligible, and the risk of investment depend upon the assets in which invest is done, and the liquidity of saving is higher liquidity, and the liquidity of investments is comparatively less. The type of investments: stock, buying shares of a company represent ownership. Investors earn thought, dividend, and capital appreciation. Next is bonds, and the next is bond. Bond is lending money to a corporation of government in exchange of periodic interest payments and return of a principal amount of maturity. And the another is a real estate, purchasing property or land with the aim of retail income or price appreciation. And the next is a mutual fund, pooling money with other investors to invest in a diversified bonds and other securities. And another is the ETF. ETFs means exchange trade fund, similarly to mutual fund, but traded like stocks on an exchange. Next is the commodities. Invest in physical goods like gold, oil, or other agriculture products. Next is a cryptocurrency, digital or virtual currency that can appreciate in value, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. And another is a savings accounts or certificates of deposits. Low risk investment where money grows through interest over a time. Next is the private equity venture capital, investing in a private companies or startup for a potential high returns. Next is a collectible items like a art, antique or rare coins that can increase the value of over a time. Why the people invest in these stocks, bonds and others? Let's see. Wealth growth to increase the personal wealth over a time. Next is retirement planning, building a financial of for the future. Next is a positive income, generate a ongoing income, dividend, rental income. Okay. Next is a beating, ensuring money grows faster than the inflation rate. Next is the financial goal, finding a goals like education, buying properties or starting a business. The main key concept of investing is a risk and return, diversification, liquidity, and the time horizon. Thank you.